What brings you in today and what are you picking up?
Picking up my Chevy 3500 and just got a 2.0 put on.
How long have you been in this industry, and do you have any experience with any other units?
About 20 years, and yeah, I've used about everything. So, I mean, there hasn't been too many I haven't used. I have 8 trucks. We have 4 flatbeds and 4 wheel lifts.
What made you want to get a Lil Herc 2.0?
Did a bunch of research on a bunch of different wheel lifts and so on and so forth. And I mean, just the way that these are built and just the specifics behind them and the durability behind it just seems so much better than the other ones, and just the pure strength really of them. I mean, I figured if you're gonna do it, might as well do it right. So
exactly. So what are you most excited about with your Lil Herc 2.0?
Just to be able to use it, try it out, put it to work, see what I can make it do really. So it's gonna get a lot of use. Oh yeah, for sure on that. Yeah. It's going to get a lot of use. It's going to get a ton of use, so but see how it holds up.
This is a no-link lube. They have 3 pins to just pivot the L-arm from open to close.
Correct. 3
pins, 3 bushings that you can't grease, you can't get to.
Yeah.
Where this is now your pivot pin. You know, this is essentially 1 pin connected with the bolt, and you literally could, you know, if it had teeth, it'd bite you.
Right.
You know, you can service it so easily. So this, to me,
sure.
You know, in comparison to, you know, you're familiar with this pivot pin and bushing.
Yeah.
I mean, that's an insult to intelligence. I mean, look how thin that is.
Right. Oh yeah, they're a royal pain in the ass to even try to get them in and out.
And you're never going to have any of those problems anymore.
Well, and the problem is too with these is even when you put a new pin and bushing in there, they seem to still have slop in them.
Right. It starts life out loose. Yeah. Correct. I agree with that statement completely. And
I mean, your head of your wheel lift, even when you put a new one in there, I mean, it's still hanging
a negative tilt. And that's where the oil pan damage comes in. So you're constantly stressing. So you need to feed, you know, the truck a new pin, a new bushing, I'd say annually, depending on use. What are you looking at? At least a year?
At least, yeah, if not sooner.
Right.
Especially if you're lifting any kind of weight, you know. I mean, yeah, no, absolutely.
So on this, you'll never have that problem, and all you're gonna have to do is just keep it greased, you know.
Right.
And keep this pin tight. It's gonna keep the pivot head. I mean, our bushing is so much thicker than the other guys. I mean, this is, you know, an insult.
Yeah. No, for sure, there's a huge difference. So
we're so excited for you to go out there and make some money with it. And
oh yeah.
Kick some ass, and I can't thank you enough for trusting us and, you know, believing in our product, because we believe in it as well, and we're hoping that it's going to just make you money hand over fist. I mean,
that's the plan.
We're confident it's going to do that for you.
Flatbed's next.
Yeah. Stealing someone's